Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Delta Exchange app on iPhone. The Delta Exchange app allows users to trade cryptocurrencies and manage their trading account directly from their smartphones, and however there may be times when you want to remove the app from your iPhone, such as freeing up the storage space, fixing technical issues, or simply choosing not to use the platform anymore. So uninstalling an app on iPhone is quick and can be done directly from the home screen. So first what you can do is you need to locate to your home screen and locate the Delta Exchange app and simply press and hold to your Delta Exchange app for a few seconds until a menu appears. Over here we can find this remove app in the top. Tap on the remove app and again it will ask you to delete the app. For the confirmation, what you can do is select delete to completely remove it from your device. And that is it. The Delta Exchange app will now be uninstalled from your phone. And uninstalling the Delta Exchange app on an iPhone is a simple process that only takes a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you.